Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is on how the plastic dip on the doors is holding up. If you're new to the channel, the doors used to be white. It was a black and white police car. I plastic dipped the doors black, just to help blend it in some and make it a little more unnoticeable. So today we're gonna be talking about how is that plastic dip holding up. And I think it's been over, but I know it's been over about a month since I had it on here. For the most part, it's doing its job. I think I used 5 cans total, 2.5 on each side of the car. I did have to do the fender part right by the back window at the top. For the most part, it's holding up pretty good. You can see where it's peeling away in certain areas around the edges. For instance, let's say, okay, like right around here, peeling away. It does help if somebody decide to bump into your car with a door or decide to scratch it somewhat. Like you notice right here, not sure how they got there, but something rubbed up against the car. Now if it had a nice fresh paint, it'd be a nice scratch right there. But the plastic dip did its job, help protect the paint that's under it. And yeah, how it looks. Overall, like I said, it's doing a pretty good job, especially for the price of it. Didn't pay that much for it. Just basically, if you do it yourself, it's a little time consuming. I didn't find the gloss black, so I just went with the matted black. Otherwise, I would have went with the gloss. I might see, can I research and find some gloss black, and then peel this back off and put the gloss black on there. And that way I can do a video on peeling it off and see how easy it peels off. But for the most part, it peels off pretty easy. I had a little overspray right here at the top. If you notice, I just rubbed that real good and it started to come off. If you decide to plastic dip the whole car, you would probably need maybe a couple gallons, maybe at least a gallon or 2. You want to do the whole car. I left the roof white, give it the mohawk, give it a different look from other Crown Vics. And coming soon, I'm getting some new tires put on the car. If you follow me on Instagram, notice I had a nail in this tire back here. I had to get it fixed. The thread is probably about maybe 20-30% left. A little lesser on the other side. Let's walk around and check it out. Definitely finna get some new tires. Like I said, I don't want to go back to Goodyear, so try something different. Hopefully it has something in stock. Yeah, this side right here probably like maybe 20% left. The road is pretty hot. I've been seeing a lot of people on the side of the road changing tires, so I don't want to be one of them. Go ahead and get some new back tires. Front, man, they holding up pretty good. They have at least probably, I would say, what, 50%, 60, somewhere in there. So if you know any tires, any good tires, let me know to go with. Overall, that's it. The car been running well, man. Other than that little nail that I ran over, picked up somewhere. Other than that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. All the information be in the description below. That's on the plastic dip, the Instagram, and all that good stuff. Other than that, until next time, I'm out of here.